Good morning, grade 1. Today we will start solving the science revision sheet for the third quarter. Let's get started. Question number 1. Which tells how hot or cold something is? Is it temperature or weather? Of course it's not weather, because we said that weather means what the air outside is like. So, to tell how hot or cold something is, it means temperature. Number 2. Which tool is used to measure temperature? Is it a rain gauge or a thermometer? To measure temperature or to know how hot or cold something is, we use a tool which is called a thermometer, because as we said before, a rain gauge is a tool which is used to measure how much rain falls, the amount of rain that falls from the sky. Number 3. Which city will most likely rain? Let's have a look here. The first picture shows a sunny sky, and the second one shows a cloudy sky. And as we said before, that clouds are signs for a coming rain. So the answer here will be letter B. We are still on the same page, page number 1, question number 4. Which picture shows a warm weather? Is it the first one which has snowflakes, or the second one which has a boy playing on the beach? Of course, the answer is letter B. Number 5. In spring, the weather is warm, hot, or cold? We said that we have 4 seasons, and each of these seasons has its own specific kind of weather. In spring, the weather is warm. In summer, the weather is hot. In fall, the weather is cool. And in winter, the weather is cold. So the answer here will be letter A. In spring, the weather is warm. The next question. Plants start to grow in which season do plants start to grow? Summer, winter, or spring? Let's remember together what we said about plants in each season. We said that in spring, plants start to grow. In summer, plants grow bigger and have a lot of leaves. In fall, plants will start to change their leaf colors and drop off. And in winter, some plants will lose all of their leaves. So, plants start to grow in spring. Question number 7. A space is a time of the year. What is a time of the year? Is it weather, season, or fall? Weather, season, or fall? Of course, it is a season. A season is a time of the year, because as we said, weather means what the air outside is like, and fall is just one of 4 seasons. The next question, number 8. In space, the weather is cold. Which season has a cold weather? Is it summer, spring, or winter? Of course, it's winter. The weather is cool, rainy, and in some places it's even snowy or icy. The next question, number 9. In space, the hours of daytime are the longest. Which season has the longest daytime hours? Is it fall, winter, or summer? Of course, we said it's summer. Summer has the longest daytime hours, while winter has the fewest daytime hours. Now let's move to page number 2, which starts with question number 10. What season is it in the picture? Here we have a picture of a tree which is losing or dropping off its leaves. In which season does this happen? Does it happen in spring, summer, or fall? Yeah, of course, it happens in fall. The next question. What comes after summer every year? We said before that seasons move in a pattern. They repeat and change in the same pattern. You cannot find that one comes not in its order. They move in a pattern: spring, summer, fall, and winter. And then they will repeat again. So what comes after summer? It's fall. The next one, question number 12. How do some animals change in winter? They grow bigger, they lose hair, they change color. As we know that winter is a cold season, so animals will change their fur color to be white and their fur will get thick, so they can feel warm and hide in the snow. So what happens to the animals in winter is that they change their fur color. The next question, question number 13. Which space object is the brightest in the sky? The brightest means it's shining, it's giving off light. Is it letter A, a planet, or letter B, the sun? Of course, it's letter B, because as we said that the sun is a star. It's giving off its own heat and light, while a planet is just a ball of rock. It doesn't have any heat or light. The next question, number 14. Choose the picture that shows the moon phase that comes next. As we studied the moon phases, when the moon is all dark, it's called a new moon. When it has a dark left side and a right left side, it's called first quarter moon. When it's all left, it's called full moon. And there is a missing phase here, the last quarter moon. Where is the last quarter moon? Is it letter A, the one which is dark on the left side and light on the right one? Or letter B, the one which is light on the left side and dark on the right one? Or letter C, the one which is all dark? The last quarter moon is letter B. Now let's move to the next page, page number 3. Question number 15. Which thermometer measures temperature in a hot day? Let's remember together when we said that a thermometer is a tool that is used to measure temperature. It has a liquid inside it, and when it is hot, this liquid will rise up, and when it is cold, the liquid will get down. So which picture here shows a hot day? The first one, the second, or the third? Yeah, it is letter C, the third one, which has the liquid which is up. The next question, number 16. The space shows how hot or cold something is, and it's easy because you have the picture. Is it a rain gauge, which measures how hot or cold? Is it a thermometer or a weather vane? This picture is for a thermometer, which is a tool to measure how hot or cold something is. Number 17. From day to day, the space changes. What changes from one day to day? Is it the weather, rain, or sun? Of course, it is weather. The weather changes from day to another, and it even could change in the same day. The next question, number 18. A tool that measures how much rain falls is a, and you have a picture to make it easier for you. Is it a rain gauge, a thermometer, or an ometer? Of course, we use a rain gauge to measure how much rain falls. The next question, number 19. It is space on the side of Earth that faces the sun. Let's have a look here. This part, which is opposite to the sun, do you think it will be day, night, or season? Of course, it's not season, so we will skip this answer. Is it day or night? It's sunny. It has sunlight, so it is day. The next question, number 20. It is space on the side of the Earth that faces away from the sun. It's away from the sun. It doesn't have sunlight. So, is it day, night, or fall? The part of Earth or the side of Earth that is away from the sun will be, yes, it will be night time. That's all for today, grade 1. Next time we will complete solving the science revision sheet. See you next time. Bye.